I just want you to know that while working on this, there were substantial numbers of bugs that were absolutely painful to figure out and solve. For example, you'll see in other videos where I was showcasing this, where there were two horizontal lines. That came from the buffer itself uh, getting corrupted, which meant that the stack pointer itself needed to not be freed for the actual rendering of the static background. I didn't realize that at first, so I went on a rabbit hole, or went down a rabbit hole, where I was like, okay, I'm gonna make it static, and that way it's allocated on the heap, and I don't have to worry about it. And it was like, fuck you, no, that is wrong. Yeah, it was absolute pain. It was atrocious. Such a pain in the ass. But finally, after working on this all day, just from this one bug, I finally got it so that it displays properly and shows everything the way it should, for the most part. I mean, we still have a little bit of graphical glitches here and there. It's like you can see the little white, blue, and yellow dots all over. But I'm not worried about that for now. I think the next step will probably be to smooth that out and then add JPEG support or JPG support, so that way it'll actually render this in color instead of black and white. Because it has the normals, it has the depth and all of that, so it just needs to look the way it should. But yeah, so final results are in. Looks pretty good. Not really sure why my model is sticking his feet into the ground though. Future problem to solve. Future Jesco problem.